The end has come. Chaos asunder the fabric of reality. Your demise is imminent. All efforts are in vain. Running will only prolong the inevitable. We require more time. Through the rites of passage, chaos unending, intriguing. We do as you say. We understand. No mana for that. There is much in this world that cannot be seen by the naked eye. We await your command. No one is safe within the realms of the void. There is nothing but chaos in the rifts of Newerth. We are eternal. This cosmic dance of bursting decadence twists all our arms collectively, but if sweetness can prevail, and it can, then I'll be here tomorrow to high-five you yesterday, my friend. Life is nothing more than guilty migrations through twisted places. No thanks. I'm more into things with tentacles. I am Legion, for we are many. Disappointing. We expected more. This is not over until we hold your beating heart in our hand. Ketara! Ketara! Uzo!